Hello everyone, my name is Franco and today we're going to be doing how to Reverb effects. So, I heard you like Team Fortress 2 memes, right? For example, if you like TF2 disappearing memes like that.
Well, off to visit your mother!
Yeah, that one, that meme. So, I should also help you how to do those reverbs. So, you might want to record this. For example, hey medic, you suck. Like that. I know it's kind of cringy, but you can do like almost anything you want. So let's try. Let's click play. Hey medic, you suck. Yeah, I'm really sorry if it has to be that cringy. But hey, if you gotta do it, you have to do it. So first you might want to go to. First you want to click this, right? So put it right here, or a little bit more. Remove this. Oh no, damn it. Just like this. Like almost anything you want, or just the whole thing. I don't know. So you'll go to effect, right? And you find this reverb. And if you want to test things out, like without wasting your time, you might want to click preview. You suck, right? But you want something a little more, like a little more echoey. So for me, I don't know how to use this because I always do random stuff. But I think it'd be better to use as an 80. To put the reverberance to 80. You suck. So yeah, that actually works perfectly fine. Let's try that again one more time. You suck. So yeah, you might want to click OK. And now let's play this again. You suck. A little bit more to the beginning. You suck. Actually, wait, hold on. How do you do this thing? Is it like... Is it critical A? Oh, got it. Hey, medic! You suck. So yeah, there you go. That was kinda easy. But yes, you can just literally play around whatever you want with these reverb tools and stuff. Like, literally, you can play around whatever you want. Because at first, it actually depends on what effects fits perfect for you. So yeah, that's actually it. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye bye.